Publisher has a text wrap feature. You can use it with shapes as well as other things. What you can also do is you can go to Photo, if you've got Photo. So File and Edit in Photo. And you can see exactly the same thing as you had before in Publisher. Go to the Move tool and you can move it around. It still has the text wrap feature, even though Photo doesn't have text wrap. What you can also do is you can save that design, that shape, to the assets. You can find that in View menu, Studio and Assets. Now I've created a category, Publisher Assets. You can go to the right side menu there and Add from Selection to the Assets. And you can see it there. Now I'm just going to delete everything here. And now go over to the Frame Text tool. So there's Frame Text tool, and you can create your own frame text in Photo. You can fill it with text, or you can go to the text menu and insert some filler text. Just as easy. Go to the Move tool, you can move it around. You can also go to the Assets and drag it over to the document. And you can move it around. It still has the text wrap feature, even though Photo does not have text wrap. Please check out my next video on how you can use this even more with other features of Photo.